for decoration, I use these in my hair. I got these from the local beauty supply store, and they were 99¢. And they're relatively easy to put on. You just take it out of the package. It's basically a spring. You take it out of the package, you slide it up your braid, and then you stretch it out to whatever length you want it to be. And so I have 6 of them in my hair. I really like these. My only gripe for these particular clips is I find that the ends were getting caught on some of the other braids. So that's the only issue that I had with this. Other than that, these are great. I think they're really cute and easy to put on.